What's up, YouTube family? Kevin, a.k.a. Mr. Trade Hustler here with another video trying to give you helpful insight on things I see in the market and ways to take advantage of trades in the options market to help you grow your portfolio. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe to the page and help my page grow. And then once your video's over, if you're interested in joining the Trade Hustler community, the link will be in the bio. Further, we're going to take you to the video so I can show you an opportunity that I see in gold and the gold ETF. Ticker is GLD. And let's go to the video. All right, YouTube family, let's get into this video. As we talked about, reasons to buy gold. It protects against inflation. It's to store real value. It diversifies your portfolio. It's a safe haven during uncertainty. It also holds long-term wealth. So it protects against inflation. When the value of the dollar drops, gold usually holds its value or even rises because the dollar is dropping. We already know the dollar is not worth what it's printed on. So therefore, gold is always going to be an excellent opportunity to buy and hold for the long-term gains in value. It's to store real value. Gold has been valuable for thousands of years. Unlike paper money, it can't be printed, inflated, or defaulted on. It's one of those few assets that always has intrinsic worth. So unlike paper money, which they just print, the government decides to print endlessly and with $1 trillion of debt, gold continues to go up. It diversifies your portfolio. Gold often moves opposite of the stock market. So when stocks fall, gold consistently goes up. It's a safe haven during uncertainty. When markets crash, currencies weaken, or economies struggle, investors always rush to gold in order to make a safe hedge against the markets. It's a long-term store of value. Gold doesn't go bankrupt. It doesn't rely on earnings reports, and it doesn't vanish like some companies do. So therefore, gold is always a good opportunity to buy gold and make sure you have it in your portfolio. But in the options market, because I'm an options trader, I like to take advantage of this gold opportunity, but in an options way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to an ETF that I'm buying, that I'm using options to trade and leveraging small amounts of money to be able to make a lot of money on this particular play that I see going to keep going up in the long term. So let's go to the charts. So here you have a chart of gold. The ticker is GLD. As you can see, since August 21st, 2025, it's been consistently going up. This was at 306 and it's now at 396. And that's only in September, maybe a month and a half period. So I'm going to be looking to get an entry on this particular asset. When the market opens this week, as you can already see, it's already pulled back significantly. And it's looking to trend back up. The buyers are buying it back up. So I'm going to be looking to take a position somewhere in here this week coming up because it looks like it's ready to continue to move up. If we go to the 15-minute chart, 15-minute chart is showing me there is a bit of resistance on the 15-minute chart. We have some order blocks here, but it's very minor. But if it pushes that up past these order blocks, it's going to declare to take off from 394 all the way to 396, and from 397 all the way to 403. And then back above 404, we're going to be at all-time highs. So we're going to be looking at advantage of this move moving forward. We're going to be looking at trade gold very aggressively as I take advantage of this sell-off. I think this sell-off was temporary, and I think we'll be going back up very soon. So I'm going to be looking to trade this particular ETF, gold ETF, when the market opens this week. And I'll keep you guys updated on how I'm doing with this particular trade. And yes, if you don't want to trade options, you can always buy gold and hold gold. Hey guys, so that's my analysis on gold. As you can see, I think it's an excellent opportunity to jump into gold on that pullback it just had. So if you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. And we'll give you an update on how I did on this trade when it finished playing out.